Give me a good grip, get those lines. Your thumb right here, it's going to hit you back like that. Ready for that? Aim at that little patrol boat right there. Put all 10 rounds in that. Aim and fire. Good. Hold. 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 All right, keep firing. Little indication there, just a little bit. That was just dropping it down a little bit, okay? Yeah. All right, next we're going to do AK-47. Go right here in your shoulder. All right, look right through here. Put this hand way up. All right, look right through there. You see a green halo with a dot? Yep. I want you to aim right here, okay? Ready? Aim and fire. Continue to fire. Try to aim right here. Oh. There you go. Hit. All right, next we're gonna go right here, okay? All right, you ready? Yep. Aim and fire. Continue to fire. Grab it from you. Right. All right, next we're gonna do the scar. Right. All right, look right through there. Okay. All right, you ready? Aim, lean forward, and fire. Good job. Like that. Just let it go, okay? Here we go. Ready? Aim, fire. All right, went a little high. Yeah. You got a little bit of boat. Not bad. Okay.